The Sony A7R Mark III is the company's latest high-resolution full-frame mirrorless camera. Much like Nikon's recent D850, it's one that combines this resolution with high-speed and fast autofocus capabilities to a degree we've not previously seen. Like its predecessor, the Mark III is built around a 42MP BSI CMOS sensor, but unlike the A7R II, it can shoot at 10 frames per second. Essentially, it can be seen as an A7R II that inherits many of the lessons learned from the company's pro sports model, the A9. This means faster processing, improved autofocus, improved handling and ergonomics, as well as the adoption of a much larger battery. While some of the individual changes are subtle, they very quickly combine to produce a hugely capable and highly usable camera. Key features: 42MP BSI CMOS sensor, faster, lower noise image processing, 10 FPS shooting with full AF, 8 FPS with live updates between shots, 3.69 m. 1280 x 960 pixel OLED viewfinder, improved autofocus, including more tenacious IAF mode, 5-axis image stabilization, rated at 5.5 stops, CIPA, with 50mm lens, 4K footage from Super 35 crop region oversampled from 5K capture, video AF less inclined to refocus to background, picture profile video gamma/gamut modes including S-Log 2 and 3, twin SD card slots, one UHSI and one US2 compatible, Bayer cancelling multi-shot mode for improved resolution, true 14-bit uncompressed RAW, even in continuous drive mode, use of phase detection, including IAF, at 3 FPS with adapted lenses. Sony says the A7R III is based around the same 42MP backside illuminated CMOS sensor as its immediate predecessor, so doesn't gain the full speed advantages of the A9's stacked CMOS chip, in terms of AF performance, continuous shooting rate or reduced rolling shutter in video and electronic shutter mode. However, the adoption of the processing systems, algorithms, and refinements introduced on the A9 all have their benefits.